Hello, my name Revi Anindita Dwi Astuti. I will give critical and opinion about the use and effect of smartphone on students. Smartphone is no longer used as a communication tool only, but has become a social and work need. In developing countries, many people make the use of mobile phones in the learning process because it is considered more effective and follow according to the times. The positive impacts of smartphone. Number 1, facilitating communication. Number 2, adding knowledge and gaining information quickly. Number 3, becoming a means of learning English. Number 4, and last, expanding friendship. And negative impacts. Number 1, interference with child development. Number 2, effect of radiation and body health. Number 3, prone to crime. And the last, number 4, it has the potential to affect student attitudes and behavior. I agree with the research conduction and title The Impacts of Smartphone Addiction on Neck Pain and Disability in College Students. The increasing use of smartphone in our daily life, especially as college students, has brought many musculoskeletal problems. Neck disorders are the most common when compared to the other part of body, because always looking down or starting at the screen of the phone and laptop constantly, that will cause health problem in the neck that can be bad if not immediately taken prevention and action. In the current area, the use of smartphone for teaching, learning, and communication for education has doubled. The increasing use of the smartphone in our daily has brought many musculoskeletal problems. Neck disorders are the most common when compared to other parts of the body. With the head in a forward position or handback position, the load on the extensor muscular and connective tissue increase. Furthermore, this poor posture can result in damage to the soft tissue and structure around the spine. Poor posture in the long run can damage neck health. It can be concluded that excessive smartphone use in college students can result in the neck pain and disability, because it was found that there are correlation between smartphone addiction and neck disability. Students need proper guidance on optimal smartphone use as well as correct posture during smartphone use, which can reduce neck defects in college students.
My name is Rahma Zakiah. My ID number is 211221121 from Islamic Guidance and Counseling 2A, the Faculty of Usuluddin and Dakwah. Here I will present the result of the analysis of the journal entitled Impact of Smartphone Addiction on Neck Pain and Disability in University Students. My opinion about the use and effect of smartphone in students is there are actually a lot of benefits from smartphone in this day and age. For example, communicating with family or friends from a distance, searching for information on the internet, and much more, especially for students. But there are also many risks or negative impact from using too much or often using a smartphone. For example, as stated in the journal, one of which is experiencing smartphone addiction. Therefore, we as students must also be able to limit our daily use of smartphone to prevent various possible impacts that will happen to us. I agree with the writer because in addition to referring to journal that use research, I also experienced the impact listed in the journal, such as neck pain due to using smartphone too often or feeling addicted. The conclusion is that the use of smartphone in university students could result in neck pain and disability, as it was found that there is a moderate correlation between the smartphone addiction and neck disability. Students need proper guidance on optimal usage of smartphone, as well as correct body posture during usage of smartphone, which may considerably reduce neck disability in university. Hence, there is an urgent need for ergonomic education for young adults regarding usage of smartphones and awareness about the possible musculoskeletal problems that could arise due to excessive usage of smartphone in an improper position. The importance of having healthy sitting position and using mobile phones for restricted duration to control the increasing prevalence of neck pain should be emphasized. Maybe that's all I can say. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for attention.
Hello friends, I hope all is well. I am here to introduce myself. My name is Prayuda Zainal Kurniawan. I was born on 3 March 2003. I am currently in the 2 semester, studying school in University Raden Mas Said Surakarta. I am from class PKI 2A. Here I will explain a little about the journal that I write. The study concludes that the excessive use of smartphone in university students could result in neck pain and disability, as it was found that there is a moderate correlation between the smartphone addiction and neck disability. Students need proper guidance of optimal usage of smartphone, as well as correct body posture during usage of a smartphone, which may considerably reduce neck disability in university students. Hence, there is a urgent need for ergonomic education for young adults regarding usage of smartphone and awareness about the possible musculoskeletal problem that could arise due to excessive use of smartphone is an improper position. Of importance of having healthy sitting position of using mobile phones for restricted duration to control the increasing prevalence of neck pain should be emphasized. Thank you. Sorry if there are still mistakes. See you soon.
Impact of smartphone education on neck pain and disability in university students. In the present era, the use of smartphone for teaching, learning, and communication for education in India has reached manifold. The increasing use of smartphone in our daily life has brought about numerous musculoskeletal problems. Impairments of necks are the most common when compared to other parts of the body. The addiction level to smartphone disability index and worldwide. The Spearman's collection analysis clear showed that there was a moderate positive correlation between smartphone addiction and neck pain and neck disability in university students, and the level of significance was Introduction. The usage of smartphone is scaled tremendous, and they have become the most popular in the device among teenagers and young adults. Material and methods. Discourse. Sectional study was conducted between August September. Before commencement of the study, an ethical clearance was obtained from the Ethical Committee of Garden City University, Bangalore, Karnataka, and India. Limitation. In the study of gender finite to be certified, hence the total number of female students was more than the males. Gender change serves as a confounding factor as previous rising studies have shown that females are more likely to develop.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Maura Husyi Rismawati. I will analyze the journal entitled Impact of Smartphone Addiction on Neck Pain and Disability in University Students. In today's area, the use of smartphone for teacher, learning and communication for education in India has been increased manifold. The increasing use of smartphone in our daily life has brought many musculoskeletal problems. Neck disorder and most common when compared to the rest of the body. Smartphone use has increased rapidly, and they have become the most popular handheld device among teenagers and young adults. Technology has evolved in recent years, and smartphones have using in internet. It carries a course associated with technology, and young adults both in a forward position, which result in increased anterior curvature of the lower cervical spine and increased curvature in the upper thoracic spine. When a person uses a smartphone, cervical lordosis is implanted and causes injury to the soft tissue around the neck. To balance the neck, the load on the upper trapezius and spinalis erector muscles of the cervical spine is increased. With the head in a forward or stooped position, the load on the exposure muscles and connective tissue increases. Furthermore, this poor posture can result in damage to soft tissues and structures around the spine and tear the elevator and propriocepts. In muscles and ligaments, long-term poor posture can damage not only the cervical spine but also the structures around the lumbar spine, ligaments, and bones. Muscle activation and ligament generation caused by poor posture can also cause neck pain and impaired progression in muscle and ligaments. The structures around the neck and shoulders exhibit high levels of fatigue, pain, and trigger bone formation and are prone to pain where the smartphone is used in awkward position. In addition to the subject concern of pain, stress, physics, many ladies have also on the past psychology issues. This study concludes that excessive smartphone use in college students can result in neck pain and disability, it finds there is a moderate correlation between smartphone addiction and neck defects. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.